Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a Discord poll. Let's start. Open up the web browser and search for carl.gg here. Once you open the carl.gg site, click to log in with Discord. Now, CarlBot wants to access your Discord account. Sign in with your account and click on Authorize. Then you're signed into your account and select a server to get started. Tap on your server and click on Continue. After that, click on Authorize. Then tick the checkbox of I am human. Now you're successfully signed in to Carl. So let's get Carl added to your server and click on Get Started. Then from General, click on Next. And Next until you see the Get More out of Carl with Premium block. From Carl with Premium, click on Get Started. Now minimize the Carl page and open up the Discord. After opening the Discord, here you can see the tagline, Everyone Welcome CarlBot. Then from your right hand, you can see the CarlBot server. Now type in /poll and select the one question option. Now type your question here. And click to send the poll. Then, by their thumbs up and down, you can see their poll replies. This is how you make a poll on Discord. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. At Explain Me How, we're solving new problems every day.